Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. And what, hello, yeah, oh wow, how are you doing? I'm good. Okay, what? Oh, 1 minute, I'll check. Wait, oh my goodness, this content seems to be very interesting, man. Really? Yeah. Okay, thank you a lot. Thanks a lot. Oh, okay. No problem. Okay. That content really seems to be interesting. That's about imagining a world without Google. Really impressive. Thanks for him to provide that content. And now there go. Straight away, let's get started. Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. And in this video we are going to discuss a world without Google. Imagining itself, it's a terrifying talk, but we are going to discuss that one in this video because Google dominated us a lot, right? Because if you talk about Android is totally dependent on over Google. If Google is not there, Android is not there. And not only Android users, even iOS users use Google rather than, okay, let me for example, you can even try out. If you are an iOS user, just get to your Safari and search anything randomly. What is TWJB? Something, how to subscribe to TWJB, like that. And in that results from Google, it directly searches in Google indirectly. But we'll say that we searched on Safari and we got the results. But there is no topic on like that. It directly searches, it takes the web results from the Google. Straight away you guys can see whenever you search something, it will randomly show up the Google UI itself. So it's Google, it's Googling itself. As simple as that. And in the results you will get, by hitting that red color button, you can subscribe to TWJB channel, and you can give it by hitting the bell icon, you can get notified. Okay, just for fun sake I said that. And yes, Google has dominated us a lot. Even we talk about Google services like Google itself for web searching and stuff like that, and for video and audio visuals we have YouTube and Google Podcast. Podcasts are really becoming so popular nowadays. Most of them are starting a podcast as well as YouTube channel personally. Even me. Okay, and then if we talk about Gmail, Gmail is very important for writing a mail, sending it, as well as Google Docs, Google Drive, whatnot. There are Google Maps, one of the main thing for travelers, because before and all we used to remember the landmarks. If we go straight, we'll get this tree, we have to take a right and left. But now just take the phone and search on the Google Maps. Put your starting destination and the end destination, it will give you the route for it. Stuff like that. There are a lot of operating systems which you're seeing on screen, are also examples of some of them. There are a lot really. If you search in Google, even Google Play Store, man, just Google Play Store even is from Google products, right? It has more than 1.6 billion apps, something like that. It's a crazy number really. And if Google is not there, we came to see a lot other operating systems. Android is totally dependent on Google, as I mentioned before, because Google bought Android already. Even in the YouTube video we mentioned that too, I guess. And yes, Google bought the Android, so that Android is totally dependent on Google. But most probably if Google is not there, no more Android. We can't imagine Android. So that's why slowly most of the brands will start their own operating systems. For instance, there's a fact that even Samsung started their own operating system, but people refused to it, and most of the people not bought it, so they closed down, and again they went to Google for Android services and operating system. Even Samsung is a big company like that, even faces the same problem. Only if we talk about in mobile side, to beat Android, Apple only did that job, whereas even Microsoft could not able to do that with their Windows software operating system. If it comes to laptops, there's rivalry between Windows versus the Mac OS. But wait, is there anything like from Google? Yeah, obviously it's there. Chromebooks having that same Chrome OS that most of it is not familiar. But if it comes to mobile phones, it is Android which is more dominant in that whole tech industry. Whole phone industry. Without Android, you can't able to get affordable phones itself. If it is in the hands of other brands, such as for instance Samsung and other brands started to bring their own operating system, then the price will be also too high, which will not be easily affordable by the poor, because now we can find an Android phone around 5,000 rupees. The least Android phone is also around $15. It's kind of a crazy number. $15 is around 1,000 rupees. We can able to find Android phone. It's a silly number, right? If other brands started to bring their own operating system, then there will be a big price hike. Due to this Android and Google, the prices have been down so that we can get affordable Android phones. After this revolution happens, then the phone's price will start at least around 10 to 15,000 or maybe 30,000, who knows. They would say we bring in privacy and every stuff like that, so if you pay this, we will get you the premium service like that. And it's kind of a funny idea that without a Google we can't able to do anything. In our daily regular tasks we use Google. Even how to for instance, how to bake a cake, we ask in Google. Just say, hey Google, how to bake a cake. We ask the Google Assistant like that, and we'll find the results. That's what I want to make in this video, and it looks interesting, right? This is a new episode of Case Study, and hope you enjoyed that too. And how about the intro which we created before, which you saw just before this video clip, how it is? So let me know in the comment section down below, and I will catch you guys next one, and goodbye and have a nice day.